Tut şunu oğlum. Ver. Oraya ben öyle kaybolum oğlum ya. Çizdin orada. Allah Allah.
Daddy, can you pass the peppers? Thank you, Daddy. Daddy.
Not that day. That.
What the?
Xì mai. Xì mai. Xì.
Recently, I went to a store to get the knefe.
Knefe, yeah.
Yeah,
Yep.
and one from there she come to me and said, "Oh, you looks familiar. Are you from the TV show or something?"
TV
and
show,
I
yeah.
said, "TV? Wow, no, it's not TV. It's
What is it? It's not TV, what is it?
so why you look at me when I'm talking? Oh, I'm back story like people,
I'm not doing
and you look
anything.
into you do nothing.
I'm not doing.
I'll be right back, alright?
What you doing, man? My God, dirty, huh? Smell bad.